Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I do have a Dollar Tree haul. I also wanted to show you guys, I showed you some poly envelopes in my last video, and I wanted to show you kind of what I decided to create. I also used the Dollar Tree planner and the little decals. So this is what I came up with. So this is like a pink pastel planner that Dollar Tree had out. And I went ahead and stuck the wall decals, the unicorn ones. This one says unicorns are real, unicorn. I stuck some on this side here. It does say magical time, little rainbow, unicorn. Okay, and then these are the little poly envelopes I showed you in my last video. They are perfect, you guys. I'm actually going to go right after I film this video to see if I can find some more pink ones, because when I went last time I only picked up 2. I went back to pick up the rest of them and they only had 1 set left, so I picked up the last set they had. But I'm going to try other Dollar Trees to see what I can find. But these are awesome, you guys. They are 3-ring poly envelopes, so these are perfect for your stickers. You can stick a ton of stickers in here. Very easy to kind of like grab and go and seal. So I've got just some of my stickers in here that I've hauled from Dollar Tree, and I love it. I think it's great. I went back to the Dollar Tree and I haven't been able to find these particular poly envelopes, so if you see them, you guys snatch them up. Make sure you grab them because they go fast and they're great for sticker organization. This entire little binder is from Dollar Tree, you guys, so I wanted to give you kind of an idea of what you can do to organize your stickers, and it's great. It works really nicely. It holds up really well. It's like a thicker plastic, you guys, so I'm loving it. I really do, and I wanted to share with you guys. I have 6 of them in here, and I think that's a good amount, but you can probably fit 2 more in these like tiny little binders that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I also want to see if I can find the pastel purple, and I think they had like a blue one, so I'm gonna go and try to find that. Went to look for more poly envelopes and I haven't had much luck, but I did find these right here, and these are the plastic zip envelopes, and I am going to be organizing a lot of my stationery items. That's why you're seeing a bunch of this stuff. So yeah, and sorry about my appearance, you guys. I threw my hair up in a bun because I really wanted to get on here and make this video, or else I'm never gonna get around to doing it, and time just keeps moving right along. So I picked up several of the pink and then several of the purple, and these, you guys, are also really nice. They don't have a 3-ring, so to speak, but these are great for like a filing cabinet, or even, you know, I stand mine on my little shelf, and the ones I have right now are like falling apart, so I needed to replace them anyway. They're really nice. So essentially it's very similar to what I just showed you, but this has like a little zipper on the top and it opens up like that. Can fit in a bunch of stickers, or sometimes I like to go to Tuesday morning and they have like sets of like random things, so I'll stick them in here. That way they're nice and organized and everything's in one place. Like if you have all girly items, you can stick them in one. All maybe food related items, you can stick them in another one, and so forth. But let me show you what I used my old ones for, so you guys can kind of get an idea. This is my old one. It's literally broken, you guys. I stepped on it. That was my own fault. When I was like moving things around, I stepped on it and it broke. But other than that, it's in like really good condition. As you can see, these are their old labels. I love them. And I keep all of my little labels in here. I just wanted to give you an example of what I use them for. So there's that one. I'm going to change it out because it's broken. This one's also broken. That's their old Greenbrier label, but I keep all of my little letters and stickers in here. I have so many. So when you have like a lot of one item, I usually use these bigger ones because it's just easier to kind of keep all together. So I'm actually going to put them in a new one because it just makes sense to put them in the new one. Like so, and then you can just seal it up very nicely. This is the new one, and it's really nice and sturdy, you guys. These are awesome. For $1, you can't beat that. I'm really excited about all of these awesome stationery organization finds. I also found some binder pouches. I've hauled these in the past. I think I hauled a pink one before, but I did get 2 purple, 2 pink, and 2 in the mint. And I'm going to stick these in my sticker binders. I thought these would be really nice to have for like special occasion stickers or something maybe that's really small that I don't want to misplace. I can just stick them in here. So they open like so. And they are like a clear bag so you can see through, which is so important to me because if not, I'm not going to use the stickers. If I can't see what's in my binder, I'm not going to use the stickers. So that's why I appreciate these like semi-clear pouches and all the other stuff I showed you. Like these are clear because if I can't see it, I'm not going to use it, and what's the point of that? And then yeah, the ones I showed you, which I'm going to be on the hunt for because this right here, you guys, is what I'm talking about, and I want to get my hands on like several of them, and they do come 2 for $1, which is a really good deal. Okay, showed you the poly envelopes, showed you the plastic zip envelopes, showed you the binder pouches. You guys, I was literally so excited when I found the zip envelopes because I hadn't seen those in a minute, and I'm looking for something else, and I usually will find something completely different. So anyway, I also went because I needed some stuff to clean my house. Let me show you the cleaning products that I picked up. I have a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house, and I do all the cleaning. I work full-time. I have a 3-year-old. I have this YouTube channel that I try not to neglect, and it seems to be happening a lot more frequently lately. And then I have all my different hobbies that I like to do, like planning, makeup, and all my other stuff. So my handbags. So it's hard. It really is. So if like a cleaning product can help me kind of do the job, sometimes I'll put a little bit of this in the toilet bowl, let it do its thing. I'll let it sit there for a minute and then go do like a load of laundry. I like to do like multiple things at once so that I can get more done. And I have limited time because I only have so many days off. Usually I try to do my cleaning when I'm working, like on the days I'm working, so that on my days off I can either, you know, do YouTube or focus on other things because I don't want to do that on my day off. I'm even considering at this point like getting a cleaning helper because it's a lot. It's a lot for one person. But anyway, I did find this Ajax Stronger Than Dirt Lime with Baking Soda. And I thought this would go really well in the bathroom. It does. You can smell the lime, and I can even smell the baking soda. It says powerful cleaning, real citrus extract, no visible residue, no need to rinse. And sometimes I'll use this in like a little spray bottle, and I'll use it to clean my countertops, tables, walls. I'll literally use it forever. It's a multi-purpose cleaner and I love it. So I picked it up. I only picked up one. They also had an orange version, but I'm not a big fan of the of an orange scent. I'm more of like a lemon type of scent, or like a, lately I've really been into lavender and I'm not a lavender fan, so I don't know, you guys. But anyway, let me show you the other items I found. I was so happy to see these again. These are the Fabuloso multi-action multi-purpose cleaner in the scent Floral Burst. You guys, this has to be like my favorite Fabuloso ever. It smells so freaking good. It claims to remove lime scale, cuts through grease, helps remove stains, and irresistible fragrance, which is so true. It smells so good, you guys. It just reminds me of like my grandma's house, because she would literally clean her house every single day. Oh, it smells so good. So again, you can stick these in like spray bottles and just literally wipe everything down. Sometimes I'll even go over my couches with like a little rag, and that way my couches smell really good. So yeah, these are awesome. These are by far my favorite, you guys, that the Dollar Tree has put out. This is a smaller bottle. I believe it's a 16.9 fluid ounce. And they do have bigger bottles, but when you smell this, you will know what I'm talking about. You will know. Okay. The other thing I picked up cleaning related was this Spick and Span multi-surface cleaner in the Wild Lavender. It says lasting fresh scent. I smelled this in the store, and it doesn't even, to me it almost smells like grapes or like a jello type of smell. It doesn't really smell like lavender to me, but I don't know. I picked it up anyway and we'll test it out and see how it works. You can use it anywhere. It's a multi-purpose cleaner, like all the other cleaners I've purchased. But I really like Spick and Span. I usually get the green one, but I figured I'd give the purple one a shot. This one's 22 fluid ounces, so you do get more bang for your buck here. So I wanted to give you options. I did need some bar soap. If you don't know, I love bar soap. I don't feel clean if I don't use bar soap. I literally feel dirty. So I have to always use bar soap. So I picked up the Dial. This one is the Spring Water antibacterial, clean, rinsing, non-drying deodorant soap. And then this is the Palm Olive Classic Scent Mild All Family Soap. And this one has 3 little bars of soap. This one comes with 2. I did find another candle. In my last video I showed you guys the pumpkin spice, but I found the fall leaves. So this is like their fall collection of candles at Dollar Tree. Pumpkin spice smells really good. Really, really good. And then the fall leaves is the green one. Oh, wonderful, you guys. I like those scents. They're by the brand Old Williamsburg, and they tend to do a really good job. You can burn these in your bathrooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and I think they do a pretty decent job for only $1. You cannot beat that. I also found this light up LED necklace with the little jack-o'-lanterns, or the little pumpkins. And I got this for Leilani so she could wear it out when we go trick-or-treating this year. I also found this Cinnamon Chex gluten-free, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, made with 100% real cinnamon. And I love cinnamon. That's a 12.1 ounce little box of cereal. And I'm excited to give it a shot. I do love cereal. Cisco's not a big fan, but I am. I do really like these for my trash cans. It's been a while since I last hauled these, but I do really like these. So I usually pick up the Crisp Breeze stick-ups. These are the Airwick, and you can just literally stick them anywhere. I just put them in my trash cans, but you can put them in bathrooms, next to a litter box, your closet, under tables. Literally, you can put them anywhere and you can stick them on. And then I also picked up the lavender and chamomile version. I wanted to share those with you. Those are a repurchase. I really like those. Okay, some things for Leilani. They had a whole bunch of like Crayola. It was like a whole little display of Crayola, lip gloss, lip balm, nail polish. She also has a nail polish, but she's currently using it. This is the lip balm and lip gloss. And she loves to play pretend and dress up and all of that, so she picked that up. And then she also wanted these sticky eyeballs in the Halloween section. I thought those were really cool. They did have one that was already open at the Dollar Tree, and she was like playing with it and she wanted her own, so we got her a pack of eyeballs. Picked up some candy. This is the Now and Later, one of Leilani's favorites. They're mixed fruit chews and apple, banana, strawberry, and cherry. We got 40 pieces. And then she also likes the Dum Dums, so we got those. We always get candy because we do have a sweet tooth. I think I forgot to show you these bags last time, you guys, but these are from Dollar Tree. I got these in my last trip. They're a reusable bag. They're in that beautiful buffalo check print, so I wanted to share with you guys. Perfect for $1, you guys. So I did get those last time, and they have a bunch. And then I did find some little Halloween bags so she can put her candy. This is a little jack-o'-lantern. He's so cute. I had to have it. So I got that one, and then they also had this version, and we'll probably need more bags, you guys, because where we go trick-or-treating, they pass out so much candy that we probably will need like maybe 3 more bags to be able to hold all the candy. Okay, you guys, so that basically concludes this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you saw something that you liked. I am on the hunt for more of those poly envelopes because I need to get my stationery stuff organized, and I've been kind of playing around with the Dollar Tree binders and stuff, so I'm on the hunt for more of those, so I'll be heading out to my Dollar Tree today. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give the video a like. It really helps me out a lot to know exactly what you guys like to watch. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!